how to update forms in Freshsales CRM. So first, go to your account, and then you can just click on the gear icon here, which is admin settings, and then you can just click on web forms. Now once you're here, you just need to select your form that you want to update. So for example, this is my form, and let's just click on the three dots here and then click on edit. Now here you can start customizing or updating your form. So let's say I'm going to change the title of the form. So instead of contact us form, let's just add contact us here. And you can also change the font. Let's say I'm going to change the font to update my form to, let's say, Times New Roman. And then let's change the background to blue. Okay, now click on OK. Now to see what it would look like, let's just click on preview form here at the top. And as you can see, now I've done customizing my or updating my form. So once you've done that, you can just click on save here at the top. And there you go. Now, once there's a pop-up here at the bottom, you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.